Hey everybody, we're going to do a quick video here. It's a little amendment to our sunshade for the SOT. Some people are having a little bit of issue getting these front straps in. It's only some people, but this is, I believe, going to make it easier. So nobody will eliminate all the problems. So the first thing you're going to do when you install this, these two straps right here need to go inside this groove, pulled through, and then you put a little pin in it to lock it in. So some people are having a little problem getting it through far enough to get the pin in. So I want to show we're going to have a new way to do it. We're going to send you this little strap, which we've been sending these out, but this new one is thinner and it'll be able to pull. Okay, so you're going to take this strap, and the dowel is going through this open pocket, not the first little thing, but the second one. That's where the dowel is going to go through. So we're going to slide this strap through. And then we're just going to take this and we're going to feed it, which takes a little dexterity. There are certain spots where there's things in here, so if you hit anything, just move it over a little, okay? And then we're just going to kind of ignore it from there, and I'm going to feed it through just like if I didn't have that. What you want to do is you want to put your fingertips right on the edge of this seam. That's where you can push. Don't even really worry about this other side. Let it kind of go up. And if you move it around, you'll see this thing will push all the way in where your fingers can't really get at it anymore. At that point, you should be able to see this. But whether you can or you can't, if you grab these straps and pull on, it'll only go about to there. That's it. It won't go any further. So that's plenty of room to pull this out. Take your little dowel pin, stick it in, and then you're not going to pull hard. Just back it, just so it now it can't go through anymore. Now it's snug, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so we got the one side in. This side was just kind of flopping around here. We set it up there so it just kind of stay. Okay, so we're going to get our sunshade out of the way. We're going to feed this through. Going to slide it in here. Okay, once that goes through there, then we're just going to act like it's not even really here. And this thing, what you want to do, with your fingers on the edge of this seam, you want to kind of push this whole thing. If it doesn't slide all the way to where your fingertips won't go in this groove anymore, you're sticking on something, and you just need to kind of move it around a little. See, this one, just with my fingers, pushed through basically right to there. I didn't have to pull it. But like I said, some people are having it a little tight, it seems like. And I found that if you're sitting in direct sunlight, it doesn't seem like it would make the metal contract that much, but it does make it a little tighter. So I found that. If my Jeep's sitting in the sun, it feels a little tighter. Pull this out. Stick the dowel in. Pull it back and hit on the Velcro there. And that's in. The front's in. Now we can go around and install the rest of the headliner just like in the video, and you're all good.